Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Chevy Traverse. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. Plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touch screen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Traverse on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.